Welcome to Promptonomous, where facts hit harder than your morning coffee. Get ready for some amazing and slightly weird facts about Earth that'll make you question if we actually know this planet at all. You may think you know a lot about our planet, but these facts will leave you surprised. Some of these might have even been unknown to your geography teacher. When you're stuck in traffic, it's easy to feel like you're moving slower, so let's start. Thanks to its spinning obsession, Earth bulges at the equator like it just skipped leg day forever. Technically, it's an oblate spheroid, but go ahead and call it Earth with love handles. It ain't winning any awards for its shape. But hey, it's comfortable. Earth has a tiny asteroid named 3753 Kruth that follows a co-orbital pattern with us. It's like that clingy ex who's not orbiting, just vibing nearby. Now don't worry, there's no danger of a collision, just a lot of awkwardly running into each other in the solar system. The asteroid is about 5 kilometers wide and was discovered in 1989. It's thought to have been captured by Earth's gravity long ago, but it's not a moon because nobody's really claimed it yet. Surprise, we're in an interglacial period of the current ice age. So yes, global warming is happening within an ice age. If we could only get at its spoiler, we can't. Earth's core holds enough gold to cover the surface of the planet in a layer 1.5 feet thick. Did you learn anything new, or were you just reminded of things you already knew? Either way, you're welcome. Let us know in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. So yes, Earth is rich but not bountiful. According to the Royal Society of Chemistry, the Earth's core contains about 1.5 quadrillion ounces of gold. Unfortunately, we can't get to it because it's, in the core of the planet. But hey, if we ever do figure out how to mine the Earth's core, we'll be swimming in gold. Until then, though, we'll just have to settle for silver. Or maybe just pennies. Those are pretty valuable nowadays, right? Mother Nature never read the manual, it's true. We're in the middle of an ice age that began about 115,000 years ago. And yes, global warming is happening within an ice age. So does that mean we should all just give up and move in with our parents? Not exactly. Just a reminder that climate change is happening faster than normal, causing problems like rising sea levels and extreme weather events. But hey, on the bright side, we've got all those brave firefighters out there working hard to save us from ourselves. Well, actually, they're battling wildfires made worse by climate change. Forget it. There's nothing good about this. Also, it's probably not going to crash into the Earth anytime soon, so maybe that means it's yours. Number 11, Earth's not a perfect sphere. It's a chubby middle-aged planet. Yes, Earth's inner core reaches temperatures around 6,000 degrees Celsius. Earth's surface is a cracked eggshell, and those cracked plates casually shift, crash, and grind just enough to cause earthquakes and ruin your weekend. Those tectonic plates can move up to 10 centimeters per year, which might sound slow, but it's fast enough to make your blood boil. So next time your plans fall through, just blame those darn tectonic plates. They ruined everything. So yeah, we're living on a cosmic creme brulee, cool crust, molten inside. It's one hot pocket. While you're driving late to work, just remember the Earth is moving around the sun at speeds that would make the flight attendants of any airline quiver. But naturally, it's traffic's fault. You can also spin faster than that. In fact, you're spinning faster than this guy right now. Under 2 miles of ice sits Lake Vostok, kept liquid by geothermal heat. So yes, Earth has secret underwater lakes like it's trying to win a mystery show. The discovery of Lake Vostok was a big deal, made in 1996 after years of drilling. The lake is 250 miles long and up to 15 miles wide. But how did scientists find it without actually seeing it? By measuring the subtle changes in the speed of sound waves as they pass through the ice. That's some Scooby-Doo level detective work. Yeah, that's fast. Everest is the highest from sea level, but Mauna Kea in Hawaii is taller from base to peak. It's just mostly underwater because Earth loves a humble brag. At 33,500 feet tall, Mauna Kea rises almost 19,000 feet above sea level, making it taller than Mount Everest. But because much of it is submerged, it doesn't get the credit it deserves. So next time someone brags about climbing Mount Everest, just casually mention that Mauna Kea is actually taller. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out our channel. We're pretty tall too. When you look down at Earth from space, you might notice that it doesn't quite look like a circle. Yep, that's not your eyes playing tricks, and it's not just for aesthetics. Our planet is actually a bit wider at the equator than it is tall from pole to pole. Thanks to Earth's spinning obsession, it bulges out a little bit at the equator like it just skipped leg day forever. Technically, it's an oblate spheroid, but feel free to call it Earth with love handles. Just don't be surprised if other planets tease us at the next intergalactic potluck. No 10, we're all riding on a giant space bullet at 67,000 miles per hour. Hey there, wanna feel incredibly tiny and insignificant? Well, then take a look at some of these scary facts about the world we live on. Welcome back, I'm here, and today we're gonna be talking about facts about Earth you didn't know. So let's get started. No. 1. Earth's not a perfect sphere. It's a chubby middle-aged planet. Oh yes. No. 2. We're all riding on a giant space bullet at 67,000 miles per hour. The phytoplankton do most of the heavy lifting when producing oxygen. Basically, Earth's real MVPs are small c nerds. This may come as a surprise, but it's true. These tiny organisms are responsible for producing over half of the world's oxygen. Meanwhile, rainforests, while important, only contribute about 5% of global oxygen production. The oceans are full of super producers, so next time you're near a beach, be sure to thank a phytoplankton for saving your life. You're welcome. Number 3, ditch the save the rainforest signs. Number 4, Earth has a second mini-moon. Kind of, it's not cheating if it's just a fling, no. 5, the planet's core is hotter than the surface of the sun, no. 6, we're floating on moving puzzle pieces a tectonic plates. Number 7, Antarctica has a hidden lake beneath the ice. Number 8, Mount Everest isn't the tallest mountain technically. Number 9, Earth is technically in the middle of an ice age. Number 10, there's enough gold in Earth's core to grease the entire planet. So there you have it, folks, 10 facts about Earth you didn't know.